Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you best unlock animation setting after 1.8.5 update on your Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to lock screen, tap and hold and go to lock star. Look at this lock star. Guys, after 1.8.5 update, how to enable this unlock animation properly on your Galaxy device? Complete tutorial video link on description. First, enable lock star on your Galaxy device and unlock animation. Now, let me show you best unlock animation settings for your Galaxy device. First, tap on lock star. Look at this unlock animation. Simply tap on unlock animation, enable, and look at these many unique different type of unlock animations, but let me show you top unlock animations and these settings. First, look at these expand. First, increase animation time and simply tap on interpolator and set bouncer. Now scroll, set bounce setting, complete high 8 and set elastic and set elastic stroke. Look at this. Now simply go back, tap on done and unique unlock animation set on your Galaxy device. Now second animation, spread. Look at this spread. Simply tap on flower. Look at this circle, heart, flower. Select flower, select black color and same animation time speed and set interpolator bouncer and as it is same setting in spread animation. Now go back, simply tap on done and look at this. This is awesome, right? Okay, next look at this warp. Set same animation timing and other same settings in warp animation. Simply go back and tap on done. Now look at this. This is complete awesome, right? Next and last, swirl. Look at this. You set direction clockwise or counterclockwise. I said counterclockwise, same timing, and guys, simply set default interpolator in swirl animation. Simply tap on done and look at this unlock animation. This is really awesome, right? So guys, you also set these unique unlock animations after 1.8.5 update on your Galaxy devices. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.